is here. Oh well, that's all the books for the Juna. Ba ba ba. Because for today. And right now the moon is up. So that's on the moon. See you next time. Hello there, Faith here. Oh well, that's all the books for next Juna video, ba ba ba. Because for today. And right now the moon is up. So that's on the moon. See you next time. Goodbye. So long. I'll see you later. And I'll be back next week on next Juna video. Ba ba ba. I see you on Sunday. Hi there, Face here, and you watching Nick doing the video.
So did you give her this tea? She goes, shut up, April.
Hello there, Face here. Oh well,
Yeah, she goes,
it's a cheese that under my nose itch, and I really wanna try it now. Well, that's time to go to the dick. Uh-oh. The cheese on the C4 on it. Shoo. That was strange. Oh well. So let's keep watching for next Juna video. Bye-bye.
tours and stuff, and she's like,
Hello there. It's me, Face. And you watching next Juna video.
she said they didn't have no time. It was just every single night. She said, I like the Jamaica vibe. She said, that's what we do. That's what we did. She said, we didn't have time
What's
in
that?
our mind. We just did it.
Hello there, Face here. And you're watching next Juna video. Ba ba ba. Do you like to go to see scary faces?
What are you
I
listening
love
to?
to scary faces.
What are you listening to?
Stopping nobody out. It's funny. Do you want to see doing scary faces?
He's making a
Okay, here we go. Ah! Ah!
Jacob,
You see,
I think you need to try to change that.
that looks so good. Very nice. So stay tuned because the next show is what about to start.